And thank you for all your hard work this morning. It was very much appreciated. So like I said, our crews were on the roads and in the rough conditions all morning long. Local 5's Megan McPherson breaks down what she saw and the impacts stretching in northern Iowa.
A brutally cold and windy morning here in Hamilton County. We are currently near Joel. We're about 25 minutes north of central Ames, and we arrived here about 4:30 a.m. this morning as we were originally going to be heading up to Webster City tracking these conditions, but we ended up pulling off to where we currently are because of the limited visibility on the roadways. As we were traveling, take a look at this video. We recorded this from outside the windshield of our vehicle, and we did have to stop because of the ground blizzard conditions in this area. You can see the blowing snow, really reduced visibility in those early morning hours. This video was shot at around 4:30 a.m. this morning. And the wind chill has been brutal as well. The Iowa DOT and State Patrol has been encouraging people all morning long to avoid travel unless absolutely necessary because of these conditions. It's cold. It's not enjoyable to be outside. We certainly have been experiencing that firsthand. And I also just saw a post. It is about 9 a.m. now from Hamilton County EMA. They posted about the conditions that they've been seeing reported. A northwest wind currently, again, as of 9 a.m., between 26 to 31 miles an hour, but gusts have been up to 41 miles an hour. They've actually seen gusts over 50 miles per hour here in this area this morning. That's why that blowing snow was such a major concern and why they're really encouraging drivers to stay off the roadways and avoid travel unless absolutely necessary. So conditions do seem to be improving. Hamilton County EMA does say that the winds are going to die down as the day goes on. So that is good news. But throughout the morning, we have really bared witness to the extent of these ground blizzard conditions here in the area. In Hamilton County, Megan McPherson, Local 5 News.
Well, Megan, thank you for braving the cold and bringing us that very important perspective. Well, the Iowa Department of Transportation responded to this morning's high winds across the state. We spoke with Craig Bargfried on Good Morning Iowa this morning, who told us that crews are doing what they can to make sure roads are safe, and they're putting down salt where it's getting slick. Craig also mentioned that even though roads are starting to improve, you still have to be careful out there.
Safety is our number one priority, so our folks are out there doing the best job possible in these conditions to try to get that roadway surface back to near normal condition. Today's going to be another one of those days where we're going to ask the traveling public to please just be patient with us as our operators are out there doing their job. If you do have to travel today, give yourself enough time, give yourself enough space. Don't follow a plow too closely, reduce your speed, and just be aware of your surroundings.
And when it comes to preparing for these kinds of storms, no matter the forecast, crews expect and plan for the worst. So we spoke with Brad Becker of Ames Public Works earlier this morning as well, and he explained just what type of preparation crews put in for weather events like this.
Yeah, so that's how we work on situations like this where we don't really know what to expect. We tell our guys to be prepared. We have staff members that monitor kind of the road conditions overnight. We also communicate with our police department. If they notice anything starting to get slippery, they will let us know. So yeah, we kind of keep an eye on conditions 24/7 and call guys in as we need them.
And we thank all of them for the hard work that they put in all overnight and into the morning and probably still working right now. So we want to give you an update on power outages across the metro. So earlier this morning, we were seeing thousands of power outages. Good news right now in Des Moines, there are currently only 57 customers without power. That's according to MidAmerican Energy's website right now. However, that has gone up and down all throughout the morning. We saw it increase, we saw it go down. So we know their crews are very much hard out at work, but that wind definitely played a factor in those power outages. So if you do see some gusts of wind, maybe you could see a flicker. That could be an impact. However, we do know crews are out there hard at work.